Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing my new S25 Ultra and taking it to our family trip for real-world test. I pre-ordered this phone 2 days after the Samsung unpack and received it last February 4. I also used my Samsung credits to get a wireless charger, wireless tag, and S25 Ultra case. I'm not going to mention all the features in this video, but I will talk about the main upgrades from S24 to S25 Ultra. For the design, S25 Ultra is slightly slimmer and lighter. The edges are also flatter comparing to S24 Ultra. For the materials, it uses Corning Gorilla Armor 2 and Grade 2 titanium. For display, it is larger 6.9 inches screen, same 1440p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. For the camera, it has a new 50 megapixel ultra wide and 200 megapixel main camera. For the S Pen, they remove aerial gesture and remote camera actuation features. Removing the extra features from the S Pen doesn't really matter to me because I don't really use it when I was using S Pen from S24 Ultra. For the processor, S25 Ultra now comes with a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It offers a significant boost in CPU and GPU performance compared to its predecessor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. For battery life, both models have similar battery capacities, but the S25 Ultra benefits from software optimizations that enhance battery life. One feature that I'm excited about is the ability to take videos in lag mode without using any third-party applications. So now let's test this phone and take it to our quick family trip. We stopped over to grab some breakfast and I had a chance to test the zoom slider if camera transition has an improvement. The jump is still noticeable as I zoom in the logo. Woodley's Adventure.
Quality in Bishop.
In this spot, I finally tried the log profile, and in my opinion, it looks good when you finally color grade it. Just got to the shady Shady what? Shady part. Oh, it's cold. Yeah. Real quick fun. So after using it from our trip, it didn't really feel like I'm using a different phone comparing to my S24 Ultra physically, but in performance, it is actually noticeable. Loading apps, processing images, playing games, and videos are noticeably faster. Even the speakers sound better than my S24 Ultra. For the S Pen downgrade, I didn't like it, but I'm not complaining about it because I don't really use the S Pen as a remote. I only use it for taking notes and drawing. I can't really tell about the battery performance because during our trip, I always plug in my phone in our car to use Android Auto. So my phone is always fully charged most of the time. If you ask me if I'm happy with the upgrade, yes, I am. But if you ask me if there's a major upgrade, not really from S24 Ultra, but if you're an S23 Ultra user, it is a good upgrade. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next one.